Today, I will be discussing about this particular drawing. See, this is the wall foundation, typical wall foundation. So within this wall foundation, see, this is the PCC, that is plain cement concrete, that is 1 is to 3 is to 6. The meaning of 1 is to 3 is to 6 is nothing but 1 is to 3 is to 6. 1 is the cement coarse, second one it is the fine aggregate, third one it is the coarse aggregate, that is cement, sand, and that is crushed stones. So this is the 1 is to 3 is to 6. This you will study these proportions, mixed proportions will be studied in concrete technology subject. Right now, don't bother much about it. Whatever the ratios they have given, that you can just follow up. This is for the plain cement, that is plain cement concrete, that is PCC. Next one, above that this is the first course, which is whose width is the 1050 mm and height is 375 mm. And the second course of SSM, size stone masonry, that we studied in building materials. So second course of size stone SSM is width is 900 mm and height is 375 mm. And third course of SSM is 750 mm width and 375 mm. So by the time you finish the third course, you will reach the natural ground level. Natural ground level. You should know all these things because everything cannot be written in the drawing. It is meaning of NGL is nothing but natural ground level. So you can just observe SSM with 1 is to 6, cement CM represents cement mortar. So SSM CAM represents cement mortar. Cement mortar consists of only, that is 1 is to 6. 1 is to 6 is nothing but cement, 1 and 6 sand. That means 1 kg of cement, if you take up, you have to add 6 kg of cement, sand. That is the meaning of that. Here 1 is to 2 is to 4, 1 kg of cement, 2 kg of sand, and 4 kg of coarse aggregates, that is crushed stones. And here again, here it is the, okay, above that again we have one more layer course, that is plinth wall, that is again constructed with you can just observe here, this is again a plinth, so that is constructed with 1 is to 6 cement mortar. That means 1 is to 6 cement mortar, the same ratio of cement mortar we are using here. And over that you have got a DPC. Try to understand, it is a damp proof concrete. Damp proof concrete. So this is how it is supposed to be drawn here. So next, BBM, burnt brick masonry. It is a burnt brick masonry with cement mortar of 1 is to 6 ratio. This is what we are supposed to use. And many people had doubts, what should be the width of this? This is the nothing but width of wall. So you can take it around 300 mm. So this is 300 mm. And what should be the height? Height can be anything. Again, I'm repeating, height can be anything. If you want, you can take it. So what we shall do here, because why I am taking is, you are not going to show the entire height of the wall, because this is the foundation drawing. So all details should be shown here is about the foundation, not about the wall. So that is why I don't bother about it. The meaning of, you can just observe, this is the section cut line. See, this is the inclined 45-degree vertical, again incline, and you can draw it. So the meaning of section It is that extension. That means beyond that, there is a extension of the wall. So that we don't bother. How much ever it is extending, that is not our problem. It is what we are going to construct about the foundation only. So this is the foundation. So now how to choose the scale, that we shall discuss now. You can just observe, guys. See, the total height, if you just measure from bottom to top, the total vertical line, so that would be required, that is 200. Mean, if I take up 375, if I'm planning to represent only 375 of the height of the wall, then total vertical, the highest, the longest vertical line, that will be 2275 and the longest horizontal line will be 1200 Try to understand. The longest horizontal line, that is, if you just observe, compared to that, longest horizontal line is 2200 and the longest vertical line, by considering, by assuming, okay, I decide, you, if you want, you can choose 100 also, it doesn't matter. I am going to represent the 375 height of the wall. So if I represent the total, the longest vertical line will be 2275. That is the maximum height of this. If I add up all these things, I will get 2275. So now my intention is to fit this particular drawing onto this area available. You can just observe. So after drawing this particular title block, the area available for me to draw is only this much. Within this gap, I cannot do anything. I cannot utilize this. So only this much area I am supposed to use. So why I am checking this is to fix up the scale for that. So how to fix the scale now? You can just observe carefully. See, longest line. Okay. Longest each line, you can just observe the longest one is 1200 and longest vertical line is 2275. If I add up all these dimensions, I will get V line is 2275 So this is the size of the drawing, actual size of the drawing. But here, what is the dimension available? I have to check. See, horizontally available is around 19 centimeters. So paper, it is 19 centimeter, that is horizontal. And when it comes to vertical, okay, I cannot draw it somewhere here. So somewhere I will just take up from the top. If I start measuring, I can utilize, okay, by leaving this amount of gap. So I will utilize around 18 centimeter. That is 18 centimeter. That means if I have to draw this, if I have to finish this drawing, then I have to draw it within the size of 19 centimeter by 18 centimeter box only. I have to complete the drawing. Now how to fix up the scale? If you just observe, now maximum vertical height as per drawing is 2275 That means, and maximum vertical space available for me, that is 18 centimeter and this is 19 centimeter. So now I will take up the maximum part first. So maximum vertical dimension is, okay, if I had horizontal as the maximum, then I would have considered here. Now I have vertical is the maximum that I'm considering. I will fix up the scale for this dimension. If I am able to fit this line into this drawing, then automatically this will fit in. So that's why I'm not bothered about the smallest dimension. Among these two, largest is 2275. So consider that. And here, this is being a vertical, I will also consider vertical, that is 18 centimeter. That is here, this is in So I will also convert this into that is 180. Observe, guys, 180 So how to fix the scale? 180 is equals to 2275 So therefore 1 is equal to, that is 1 is equals to, that is, if I want 1 here, Therefore 2275 2275 divided by 180 will end up in having 1 mm is equals to 12.63 mm. So if I round it off, that is round upper limit. So therefore 1, that is 12 mm, 12.63. Therefore I will round it off to 1:15. So this is my scale. Try to understand, guys. Round it off to 10, 15, 20 only. So don't round it off somewhere in between, because that will be helpful for your calculations. So round it up only for 10, 15, 5, 20 and all, because if you round it up to a 6, 7 and all, you can do it, absolutely nothing wrong. And if you have already done it, nothing wrong here. But the thing is that it will be very much helpful for your computations. Sometimes if you are able to fit in with, if you are able to do it with those calculations also, there is nothing wrong, you can do it. Now for my scale drawing, I will use only 1:15 scale. Yes, this is how I fix up the line. Therefore, what is the thing now? If I use 1:15 scale, if I have to draw a line of 2275, then what should be the length of the line I am supposed to draw? 2275 divided by 15. That is 2275 divided by 15. Will land up, that means 151.67 mm. Try to understand. If in reality on the ground, if there is a line of 2275 mm on the paper, it will be 151.67 mm only. Try to understand. This is the beauty of scale, and now you can fit the drawing into it, the paper, very comfortably. And if anybody has a doubt regarding how we get 12.63, that is 2275 divided by 180 will lead to 12.63. That is what it is. That means this, if you just cancel it once, and if you divide it by, if you take it to the denominator, that is 180, that will be, you will be getting 12.63. Yes, this is how we fix up the scale for our drawing.